It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. Hi my loves, how exciting is this? We are actually in my rooms. Look how pretty my bed is. Today I want to review with you something really awesome. This is SkinBae laser hair removal. This is just going to be an unboxing, my first impressions, and then a tutorial on how to use it. And then hopefully this will work. You save so much money. At least I would save much money on laser hair removal. I'm trying to kind of lessen my expenses for self-care, as we talked about the video before. Well, I don't know how many videos ago it is now, but self-care is really important. So you know how you guys know for like how many years now with my nails, you know, getting my nails done, doing my hair, like all of this can be very expensive and time consuming. So anything that I can do by myself, that can be part of my self-care habits and rituals, is amazing. So I'm really hoping that this works out. I'm gonna film this one today, and then in like 4 or 6 months I'll give you guys an update. So let's unbox it together. First off, I love the coloring, and the little logo is super cute too. I like that it says SkinBae, smooth, clean, and fresh. It makes me want to be like, ooh, I'm gonna be somebody's bae. Am I too corny, you guys? It comes with a foam, so let's open up the foam here. And everything is all pleasantly wrapped. I'm literally looking at this, guys, with you. So let's see what's in here. We have an owner's manual, which we'll get to in a minute. What else here? So you can see it well. 1, 2, and 3. So I guess depending on your wall, that's what it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with the regular pronged one. So it says open here, lock here. Okay, so here, and then turn to lock. Okay, it wasn't rocket science, guys. It felt like it for a minute though. So the big piece, the star, I like how everything is covered nicely. And all of this stuff is biodegradable, so that's really good. It says it here on the back, biodegradable packaging, so that's super exciting. Here is the actual piece. I love how it feels easy on the hands. Here's the part that the light comes out. It has a protective thing here that you can just peel off. And this is where the cord goes in. Easy peasy. It's pretty firm in there. And then we have this. I'm assuming it's to clean the screen. And what else is left? Ah, these are left. How do I look, you guys? Wait. Charlie's Angels. Do they do it this way? Like, wait, she backs up. There we go. Do I look like an angel? Kid at heart, you guys. Kid at heart. So we have everything here. So now let's read about it. We're learning together. So IPL is what they're calling it, and it's intense pulsating light. And it removes hair, it treats acne, and it can brighten and diminish spots. So any hyperpigmentation probably that you have. Let's see what else here that would be important for us. Okay, so for me, I want to remove my hair under my arms and my legs. So I'll do under my arms first. It says to prep for treatment, you need to shave the hair on the areas you want to target, wipe and completely dry your skin, clean the lens with alcohol swab, do not spray any liquids directly on the lens, and then put safety glasses on. After every session, treated skin should be cooled down with ice or water. Okay? Do not use the device multiple times in a single session. A maximum of 2 flashes should be used at low intensity levels and a singular flash of higher intensity levels on the spot. Do not block the air. There's air that comes out here, so you don't want to block that. And what else? Cool down between flashes. Probably come back, like I originally mentioned, maybe in 4 weeks. In 4 months. So you can see if it worked for the underarm. Then if you want skin rejuvenation, it says 3 to 5 weeks after session 1, 3 to 5 weeks after session 2, 3, and 4. That's for like the hyperpigmentation. And then for acne, 4 to 6 weeks after sessions 1 through 5. And then your undertone, your skin the intensity chart. So if you have fair to light skin, you want to keep it between 6 to 8. If you have light skin, 4 to 6. If you have medium skin, 5 to 7. And if you have dark skin, 1 to 4. Those are the intensities. So I feel like I'm light. I'm not fair light. So I think that I should do 1 to 4. And that's how deep it goes into your skin. So this is exciting. What do you guys think? I'm really excited about it. Alcohol wipe. I don't really have an alcohol wipe. So we're just going to have to do it like this. Put my glasses on. Okay. Turn it on. You see it blinking? Okay, so the numbers, it's gonna show up like little slashes. So now it's at 3. Now here is at 4. Okay, I've actually already cleaned my underarm. Guys, I don't even see my underarm. I've already cleaned my underarm. So I actually shaved last night. So this is what I'm gonna do, you guys. You guys are seeing way too much. So I'm gonna wipe it again, clean. I've already shaved. And then they say to dry it. So I'm gonna dry it. And we're gonna try this out. I'm nervous. It's on 1, 2, 3, 4 level. Okay. Ready? Ooh, you seen that? Okay, so it said only 2. So now we're going to turn it off. And I only have an ice pack. So that's what we're using. So that's the skin test though. That's not the actual treatment. We're just testing the skin. Alright, you guys. I still have these on. They're pretty cool. Actually, I'm going to put it like this. It could be cooler. Is that cool? No? Alright, you guys, I hope you liked this first impressions, unboxing and testing. In 6 months, I will get back to you, see how it worked. And yeah, to my next video. Besos.